What is up, you guys? We are back again. Today is day 4 of this epic antique hunting trip. We are gonna check out a couple of really cool antique malls that we've never been to before, and we're gonna take you guys along for the ride. So we just pulled up to this antique shop, and we ended up in this really cool area, and I had no idea where we were even going, but we ended up in San Juan Capistrano, and it looks like they have a really cool old mission here that was built in the 1700s. This would have been one of the 21 missions that were built in California. So we'll go check that out. But it looks like there's a few antique shops in this area, which I am super stoked about. So let's go check those out, see if we can find anything good. And then we're also gonna kind of like walk around this cool little town and see if we find anything cool. What do you think, kid?
That wasn't a good burp.
No, I think we're all disappointed in that. All right, let's go. So they don't have a restroom for us to use in there, and I really have to pee, but they said that this bar next door is a really cool bar, so we're gonna check out this bar and maybe kill 2 birds with 1 stone, get a little afternoon drink going, huh?
Come on in. Where are you guys visiting from?
San Francisco.
All right. Woo-hoo. Welcome to the world famous.
Oh God, look at that.
Hi.
Yes, you're a movie star.
You're a movie
Her
star.
name is Yvette over there.
Hi, Yvette.
Wet British kid.
I think we're gonna do a shot here.
Have you guys been to Smuggler's Cove
No.
in San Francisco?
Oh, Smuggler's Cove. It's like a tiki bar. Yeah.
You haven't been there?
No, I have been there.
Oh, okay. Our friend
Yeah.
owns it.
Dude, we were there, remember? It's like pirate themed.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, let's do 2 shots of, do you have like Hornitos? We ordered shots, but we don't really do shots. Like, I'm a sipper as well. I did like half. You did all? I thought we were sipping. We were supposed to sip. A good. Okay, let's go shopping some more. Well, these are cool. I think we're gonna try to grab these guys. Because they're doing a really good sale. It's like 20% off, I think. What's the sale, 20% or 25?
Can you see?
Just pull it out. It's not gonna break.
Yeah, the tip of the wing has a chip here.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay, then that's a no-go.
Okay.
All right, well, thank you. So, kind of a bummer, you guys. Those are really rare Swarovski woodpecker figurines. They only made them for a few short years. It's a good size. They're really valuable. They go for, what do you think, like $600 to $700?
Yeah.
And they're only asking $375. They were 20% off, so that was actually a really good deal. But one of them had a chip on the wing, so it's a no-go. I did get a really cool lamp that I'm kind of excited to show you guys. It's a Fenton swirl cranberry glass lamp that I think you guys are gonna like. It's pretty cool.
Right. Who's next? Next this one. This one? Yeah. Okay.
Didn't you love that lamp? Was super cool, right? And I did end up getting that Murano vase, which I think is also really cool. So now we're gonna check out this Mission, which was built in the 1700s. Hi, thank you. buildings, which is kind of cool. Here's some of the original adobe bricks that they would have used for the building way back in the day. This is original to the facility, however. Purell has been around since 1763. It was founded by Jim Purell. So that was kind of a cool, unexpected stop, but I think we're ready to head out. San Juan Capistrano is a beautiful little town. You can kind of like see behind me. This is what the town looks like now, and then they have the old mission behind me, which is super cool. I always love when they can incorporate a really old building like that right into all of the new buildings and kind of keep some of the historic integrity of the town. It's really great. I liked this. This was a really good unexpected stop, and we found some really cool things, but now I'm starving. I am ready to go back to the hotel. Tyler was ready to go back to the hotel like 4.5 hours ago, but I've kind of been holding him captive to do touristy things because that's my vibe. Thank you guys for coming along with us on that little journey. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do it now so you don't miss future episodes. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.